Hey guys, it's Cassie from And Other Lovelies, and I am back today to share my December wild hair kit. I have been waiting for this kit to come in the mail. I am so excited. I put in my style profile and let Allison know that I was getting ready to work on December Daily, which is my absolute favorite project of the whole year, and asked for her to curate a kit for me based around the Crate Paper Merry Days collection. And just peeking at this kit right now, there's so much Merry Days goodness, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited for December Daily. Like, I'm smiling like a little kid right now. So as always, I like to give you guys a quick glimpse at my style profile. The style profile is a simple survey that you fill out every time you order a kit. The Wild Hair Kits is different than other kit clubs because you choose what you're interested in, and you can also choose how frequently you want to receive a kit. So you don't have to, be locked into a weekly or monthly or quarterly subscription because it's all about you. And so that can be especially good around the holidays if you're interested in getting a custom curated kit, especially as you're looking to create a December album or maybe wrap up the end of the year or even looking ahead to 2018. You don't have to commit to a monthly subscription if you wanted to start now. I know sometimes the holidays can be a little bit tight, but this would be a really great opportunity for you to maybe treat yourself for something that you really want. And think about it, Allison will say it's kind of like your crafty best friend picked out something special for you. This would also be something if you wanted to ask for a Christmas present, someone could purchase it for you. Maybe a spouse or a significant other would be interested in, purchasing a kit for you, but you could choose the style profile and you could fill it out the way and things that you want. But when the kit arrives, you're not going to know what's in it. And so it's still a present. It could be put under the tree and would be such a fun surprise for you to open. So I'd encourage you to think about that, especially with the holidays coming close. I know it can be hard for us crafters to be able to tell someone else the type of crafting things that we want. And this might be a really great option for you or for a craft best friend. So what I told Allison, you check boxes. It's really simple to fill out. I said, I'm so excited for December Daily. I would love a Christmas themed kit centered around the Merry Days collection by Crate Paper. Honestly, any Christmas goodness has me pumped right now. Looking forward to creating my 2018 album and doing some throwback pages to Christmas pre-2016, which is when I started December Daily, and maybe documenting some childhood Christmas memories too. Thank you. And then I let her know I loved my November kit so much, so I thought that would help give her a little bit more direction looking at this kit. So let's dive in. I always like to start with the embellishments, and before we do that, let me see what she wrote. Oh, I just caught a glimpse of some specialty paper. This is so exciting. All right, so this is a deluxe kit. There are two sizes of kits, a petite kit, which is the smaller, and a deluxe kit, which is the larger, and that's what this one is. And the deluxe kit is $38.95. So Allison said, "Hi Cassie, I hope you love this kit as much as your November kit. I included loads of Merry Days by Crate Paper and made sure to include some of your faves, stickers, die cuts, and ephemera. I love how the red clips and pink and red heart paper ties in with some of the colors in the collection. Enjoy." The thing about this kits, guys, Allison really does hand curate every single one of them. So I know I'm gushing a little bit, and part of it's Christmas, and part of it's just that I'm so excited about everything. But everything in this kit was hand chosen for me, and that makes me feel really special. And so again, I just encourage you, if you're interested, to give it a shot. Christmas could be a really great time for that. So have fun Christmas crafting. All right, so first up, I've got some Christmas color sequins here. There are little white Christmas trees in there and little red hexagons. This is so cool. Oh, and there's little like snowflake shapes too. I know those have a fancy word. I just can't think of it right now. I love those hexagons in the trees. This is perfect. So this is an exclusive set from Spiegel Mom Scraps. That'll be great for shaker pockets or just adding a little bit of sparkle onto my December Daily pages. I'm using a 6x8 album this year, so just like last year, so there'll be lots of space to be able to fill it with the beautiful things. Next up, I have these hanging stars from the Merry Days collection. So there's some string there, and then these stars are super glittery, and there's little holes on the top so I could dangle them from the page or probably even put them outside of the page protector if I wanted. And then look at the packaging here. How cute is this? These are some odds and ends. So it looks like some black and red and white twine, and then these cute little red hearts. Those are so cute. You can never go wrong with hearts. I love those. And then looks like some shipping tags. These will be perfect for hidden journaling. Something else I love to do with shipping tags, especially in December daily, is just stick them directly into the ring. So it's kind of a movable element, but you know, maybe stick my number on them or do some journaling or a small 2x2 photo attached right to it. So it looks like some different sizes of shipping tags. These will be fun to play with. I've also seen some people like dipping tags in glitter. How cute would that be with these, or even like lining the bottom of them with the sequins? That could be really cute. Just see. Oh, how cute would this be? And I could just use up all these things together. So fun. So it looks like a mix of small sizes, and then there's also a couple larger ones as well. Next up, oh yay. Okay, so this is the Merry Days ephemera collection. So you guys can kind of see the different designs there. So, oh man, die cut ephemera are absolutely my favorite thing. Well, okay, I say everything's my favorite. I love die cuts and I love stickers, and Allison does a great job of including both of those things in most of my kits, and she totally did with this one, which is so cool. These are so cute. So there's some like glitter accents on these too. They're just like kind of whimsical. Lots of tags. Oh, I love these. So what I've been thinking about a lot is kind of balancing telling some older stories this year. I'm not sure if I want to include them in my December daily or if I actually want to start another album that has like old Christmas stories, because I've got, you know, just memories from when I was a kid. Like the year that I got an American Girl doll, I would really like to write that story down. We've got some old photos. There's just some Christmas traditions that my family always does. We have a big potluck after Christmas Eve Mass. We usually will drive around and see the lights. I'll usually stay up really late and help wrap presents. I mean, there's just all these stories that I have that haven't been documented yet, and I don't know, I'm kind of thinking about, do I want to use some of this collection to tell some of those stories or use it for my current album? So I can kind of see it going both ways. I don't know, we'll see. You guys can stay tuned to see what I end up creating. I'm definitely in the mood to document December memories, whether that's current or past, and so it's just going to be a great month. So next up, I did receive the 12 by 12 cardboard sticker sheet, and look at all of these. So there are some duplicate icons, there's some new icons, there's some cards with what would be great titles: Seasons of Joy, Ho Ho Ho, Jingle Jolly Merry. This is so pretty, I love this. It looks like I received some 6x6 papers as well, so really pretty patterns. These are from the Pink Fresh Studio line, which is awesome because I didn't ask for this, but it is brand new and I have been seeing so many people unbox it, and so just to be able to have a little bit of that collection too is so exciting. Ooh, that's really pretty. This one says Merry Christmas, Peace, Love. Oh, this is cool. I like those string lights. Little postage stamps, and then last, traditional stripe here, a chevron stripe. That's awesome. All right, and last but definitely not least, we have the papers. So this floral was one that I was hoping that I would get. I didn't ask for it specifically, but it's so gorgeous. I'm gonna want to use every bit of this page. This one's called Sugar Plums. A really nice background color there. This is almost like a peachy geometric. Oh, but look at this. That's so cute. I love that. A cut apart. Holiday wishes, Merry Christmas, Jingle All the Way, a gift for you. This would be cute, cut out, and then, you know, circling one of the days as my number indicator for my December daily. Oh, yes, look at all these cut aparts. How perfect would this be? And cut these out, staple them on. I could hook them onto a tag. They could slip into a pocket. Definitely gonna be cutting these out. So cute. And a really nice snowflake on the back. I'll be using this side though. Then here we have a good salad, and then, oh, this is one of the other ones that's my favorite. Look at the little ice skating and snowman. I am just loving these illustrations. Cute cups of hot chocolate with the marshmallows in it. And this really pretty star paper. Oh, lovely. Oh, I love this plaid. Look at that. Gorgeous. So there are a ton of patterns here. Those are all my favorite sides, but remember the back side were all of the more neutrals. So I think there'll be a really good balance if I want to mix and match between the patterns and then the softer, simpler designs. This is the December exclusive cut file. Look at these snowflake patterns. How pretty will that be peeking through one of the papers? That's so lovely. And then lastly, oh, this is the specialty paper that Allison mentioned. So this is a pink and red heart, glitter heart, specialty paper. I completely agree that this paper coordinates so well with the Crate Paper Merry Days collection. How cute is this stuff together? Alright guys, this has got me in the holiday spirit. I hope you enjoyed following along as I unboxed this kit. This is probably my favorite kit ever. I know I say that a lot, but Allison has really outdone herself with this kit. And I'm so excited to dive in and get my December memories told. So if you have any questions about the Wild Hare kits, about the products that I received, or have any questions in general about my approach to December daily and holiday memory keeping, feel free to leave them in the comments below. You can find me on Instagram at @andotherlovelies if you want to follow along with what I create in December. And I would love to hear from you. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll be back soon. Bye. Oh my gosh.